Absia Ghana ni bia watiti ne mo musa akopiem ewo America a wodi ne pa kakra me no kasi ka abo na manawu na akwanya ka no fa so ball no ese wani ye bekọ akohwe sede esi etia mesremo ye di ehyiemu a ensem binom eka eye ne die hu na ye ba behwe ewo sa show you said 3 in 1 news before bekọ akohwe sa video no yeni kan emfa we entwem embra eye abemu obi a waje ni papa nkwan free ni nsem during argument. Yes, according to crime check na mesremo yan kan every crime check for entry him say the city absia. According to crime check omodi abase sa abemu oye nanim ewo miscreate you see omodi abase the boy takes yan reading from him direct boy takes father's life during argument. This is Abbas, who is alleged to have stabbed his father ending his life in a tragic manner following an argument at Akoshi Anya CP. The young man reportedly fled after the incident and is currently on the run. Not just a no community papa we no was answered you authorities urge the public for information about his whereabouts. An argument with your father and you draw knife. Yes, according to crime check into Chimwa, Abranti, Wanene Papa, Fabono, or the Ajini Papa Nkwan, Eddie Fritz say, Ni Papa and Semo Ye was also edinity. Akamira Wajania and to Sufa Yakase, Omunya Enchen, what I said. Eye asemwa asi ewo akohwie enya na mepamchaw yemfridie abranti ayi so na yenko yensem no ankasa eso eye Ghanani ya wakopiem ewo US ya me no kasei ka atimi abona manawu ya achese ekwanya ka me fa so ball no ni die si yentia ka no ball no nabusia tembia meka se nipa wonyini cha enye achievement and I said enya de bia ye news and I said enya we bia ohu a wo hwe ni yie and I said bibisa what I say because bia wo nam bia no obetimi ewu yentie de ekwanya sa ade fa so esi ye.
Yo, Charlie, this snow has never been fair to us these few days. Charlie, just yesterday back in snow just kick one boy out of this world. Oh, Patrick Sapon, Connecticut. Boy wake up we say, Charlie, they go clean in car. That was yesterday. You know that feeling sometimes you dey highway, you will feel say windscreen and paper here. So it be like you park off the road, you know. We Charlie, I'm saying the nim kakra ba cleaning because of snow day there. Where these trailers some Charlie can't kill one boy just like that. Oh Patrick. We all know him as Nana Sika. Charlie, a few days we all with this skinny house, just the have some fun with all the boys, all Charlie, Chase, Opanka and Co. We all with day. Few days here, where he go Ghana safe. He come back, over the year Juma Titsene Kakakra, over baby, the boy they try make a living. Some hard working boy. Oh. Charlie, we just lose a boy just like that. I'm at this morning when they go job safe, Charlie, we feel slow. Charlie, love for Patrick. Charlie, it's well.
Azafo, tema moto we susu wi ase kama se demos bi e de se bi oma architecture bi so no mo twa mo jegu pa entu na to auto we so a ya botre na drive yi na accident be cause of moto we no so no ano hye e pia bonte a e be ha dwen e penisa Azafo
Nyamidifo, what is it that today we are hearing about our Nigerian brother Sheriff Shitu?
Sheriff Shitu is a Nigerian-based US. Information we are hearing is somebody was misbehaving in the club, touching the woman, and this person happened to touch Sheriff Shitu's girlfriend.
Oh, okay.
Sheriff Shitu lost control, wanted to fight back, and as I'm talking to you now, he has been shot. He's dead.
Too sad.
Yeah, because he couldn't control his anger. He went to the club, midnight club, and as we are talking, he's no more. Sharif Shitu is dead. So it's a sad news for all
sad.
the Nigerians. He said he was a very good when it comes to fashion. Yeah.
Wow.
But I hope we should also say it in Tree so that
Yes, can you translate it to Tree for our
Ghanaian
Ghanaian brothers? Yes.
Sharif Shitu. Oh yeah. Fashion designer. Go nightclub and the girlfriend. To Mudia Konya Banana, the Aquabia. Oh, Miss Baby, one no more said there was somebody.
We are initially.
Sharif Shitu is a massa. What some was on the US now. Who's a bad two Melbourne for sale. So we power some US ya. That man who say man that call
baby.
Happy Pesca. You can't have a paco a club. At the end of our quantity club. Call for not dear dog with million. And two cars on our one don't make argument or wish you to be cool. Police channel cry cool.
Wash your own quan.
Midnight club and a men cop. But all your while, but all you hear your back. 2 corner will be
what was on so home? I shall ye.
No, Cathay, Sharif Shitu.
Oh,
30 years. Only me, I didn't girlfriend acquire. You're shooting a kuno. Black
mobile.
If a news remember is in for so more. Or more nightclub and you're careful. A bear club, no.
Abuja, Facebook founder Mark Zuckerberg is facing multiple lawsuits. Baako a privacy and Cambridge lawsuit. The tosumienu a social media addiction. Na the tosumienu no eno ho asem ene ye beka. The social media addiction case no a case of a 20-year-old girl. Idea per court records. Ye the amano no a KGM. As a KGM yi was sued the founder of Facebook and Meta together with YouTube, TikTok and a Snapchat. Said the early usage of Meta platform be to say Instagram. Emma 1 where you addicted. 2 Emma ni depression and no one ebeye worse. And 3 Emma benya a cider thought. E just say na onya adwin bi say opeso okunu hu anaso opeso hye no ho akomfoni ade. Na ni nyina no as a result of social media platforms Meta de no Instagram and no use. Nti no na de nam so a ode asiu Meta platforms. Na Snap any TikTok there omaye out of court settlement sisi an omayi omo afim. Na Meta any YouTube and a sisi a omaka omugina court. Now before we even get into the case, the attorney said the Los Angeles Superior Court has selected this case as a bellwether trial. Now lawyers for no ebechim says say select case be as a bellwether trial. It says our case you use as a test case. The outcome of that particular case ebeba be to say guide be which will influence how similar cases ombedi. According to reports, there are a lot of lawsuits against social media platforms over thousands in the UK. It almost selected this case as one of the cases. Senior assembly and most of the courts ebe yusu na the other suit na enkofo de abano omotumi yusu no mo de asem. Now let's get into the issue. So we share ababawa KGM ni lawsuit na wa file na. It revolves around 3 things. 1 algorithm, ebi mo so friend algorithm, filters and infinite scrolling. Na the attorney say ababawa KGM etima or say the algorithm of Meta no in such a way content what likes and engagement bebre no eno na algorithm no promote regardless of the content send you sit here it will be content bi no amanfo yi omo to ho amanfo yi omo nufo ho but enam say enkofo bebre hwe sa content na enya million views and 100,000 views in it no eno na obo say algorithm no ebe promote unya bi o Facebook no wahu e wo feed ni ade nemum content ebi etufo on sikasem on abrabomunsem ne ho keka ho because say ebi no enkofo ni interest wo muniti no enya ade algorithm no ebe promote sa content no and most of the content na promote no content KGM say esen kwada because bebre na no about sebi enofo ne adwamansem ne ho keka ho nti no ye 1 2 ose filters wo Instagram any Meta platforms no ade a lead to anxiety and a low self esteem ose filters ni bi wono ma nipa ne de to ne so pe ohun say oh we dey my nice girl o nti wo yi filter ne free so no hwe na ni mo say na me so sa na manim te me ho nya fekra and because of that a man kofo bebre say one fa filter na ntwa picture na one fa ntwa video enya de obe post video bi na asa picture and as a result of that a man kofo bebre are depressed and a man kofo bebre so low self esteem it filters no enya de papa ye tosu miesa o se so hwe Meta platforms na uko feed ho a omo ni stopping point nti unya fa fo na say wo scroll pe ubetumi scroll be 3 hours and 4 hours because uko ni nyina na bibi foforo ba ye ni point bi a edu one mo be ka say okay we dey mapem nti ene ma minja na me fa phone into one hwe ya you can spend the whole night on meta platforms and ni nyina is scrolling enti eno so ade a abayo ni chemu se emwa youth no ene nkofo a omo use those platform eno nti ene wasi meta any YouTube na Paul meta for attorney now the tuja in court say they are not disputing the fact say ebia abayo no ewo mental struggles na emum no say waka meta platforms mum ena the cause of the mental struggles and addiction there enye no kre na ye wo medical records a kire say at a point doctors etirem say abayo nankasa wo issues ewo fie and the records shows that at a point no use YouTube any meta platforms as a coping mechanism it is say obi a wo use platform no just to kill your depression ne ade so wo kroya san betwa wo say who use our platform no say wono na am wanya addiction a enye correct and the attorney for YouTube and so edina no tumu say sa records no ewo ho na asemi die no ekoso a in the second week of February kopi mu court na wanwasem ba ko ekosi wo court room ho no the security personnel of Mark Zuckerberg according to report ebere omo court dem ho no na judge e friend B Caroline ebisa Zuckerberg ne bodyguard ba ko say lens na ehye no the lens a na branch ni betim say meta glasses na meta glasses no the way etie no AI glasses a glasses no e camera feature wom a ebetumi atwa videos and the length ne 3 minutes a store more than 100 lens ne so efe or AI feature utimi man voice command say where is Ghana located ono akasa be search ama with information result no e be display ama glasses na ehye no wo be hu sade ani guso na wa ready so judge no after say branch and respond say meta glasses no ka chen say krache this should be your last time I will share glasses we e dey aba court dem ha and emma obi an share sa glasses ni biem emma nyesa ye be contempt of court because the court prohibit recording enti say wo be share glasses na be at the end of the day you can sem kwa obetimi e de wano aka na glasses na search no ama responses a enya dia obe allow in her courtroom and then also something that generated a lot of conversation as far as this case concerned sisi ameno ka say the attorney of KGM in court also raised concern of the behavior of Mark Zuckerberg or say responses are na Mark de mom no according to say robot and AIB and responded to the questions and the voice ni bibia anya authentic into catch Mark say onye authentic and Mark responded say sa not here obi anim say onye obi opekasa bebre and so bisa questions na o man response it doesn't mean say ebia ye coach and now ye no robot asem no da so court aye de ani de achi na
abusia na kire say asem no de otum say aye fala de ma Facebook full because we there uti argument menyi na argument ya we ka say okọ ye den obi ansoma and I want to about platforms no before so be kokọ no omuma ready terms of use terms and agreement and privacy policy already be what you say yes and so one ready now signing up click signing up now ko piem sandan na uwie na ko hunu de yemu a wawasem on baby so ready one ready quite abusia subscribe to your channel for update na me fa wo nc ahasi